Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Opinion Rewards. Can you really make money with it? Let's find out. So, what exactly is Google Opinion Rewards? It's a survey app from Google that lets you earn credits by answering quick surveys. Sounds easy, right? Let's break down how it works. First, you download the Google Opinion Rewards app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if it is available in your country. Then you create a profile by answering a few initial questions about yourself. This helps Google match you with relevant surveys. Once your profile is set up, you'll start receiving surveys. These can be about anything from customer satisfaction to product reviews or travel experiences. Surveys are usually very short, taking anywhere from 10 seconds to a few minutes to complete. And for each survey you finish, you earn Google Play credits if you're on Android or PayPal Cash if you're on iOS. Now let's talk about the big question. How much can you really earn? The amount you earn per survey varies usually between 10 cents to $1. Survey frequency can be a bit inconsistent. Some users might get multiple surveys a week, while others only see a few per month. On average, active users might earn between $1 to $3 per month. So over a year, it's around $12 to $36. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros, it's super easy to use. It's free money for minimal effort, and the surveys are short. Cons, earnings are inconsistent, payouts are relatively low, and there are some privacy concerns. Want to maximize your earnings? Here are some tips. First, complete your profile accurately. This helps you get more relevant surveys. Second, enable notifications so you don't miss any opportunities. And third, check the app regularly. So, can you really make money with Google Opinion Rewards? The answer is yes, but don't expect to get rich. It's a fun and easy way to earn a little extra for small purchases, but it's not going to replace your day job. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have you tried Google Opinion Rewards? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.